Yeah. And no one like me. Yeah. 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 Congratulations. You made it. Welcome to the Crusader. It's been a long time coming, yo. But I'm here now. What you gonna do? How many dudes you really know can flow like this, like this, like this? Let's do it. How many dudes you know flow like this? How many dudes you know flow like this? Not many, infinity, not many, infinity. How many dudes you know got the skills to go and rock a show like this? I don't know anybody. Check, 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 check to the mic. Sure.
Money, scribes, it's the remix. Yeah, come on. I'm hearing you still talking that shit, but none of your actions here is speaking to me. I'm talking it, walking it. Must stop this out, will stop the movement. Hold up, who's this? Still leaving you with cuts and bruises, so cut the bullshit before I rock your face with a pool stick. 30, don't rate it front line. Money, scribe, savage and cross-eye. Everybody gets fit in action, and I just speak like ill semantics. On stage for the crowd reaction. Everyone just bout your asses, keep moving. You see the music. South don't play rage on. Everything you throw it up. And I will always represent my crew, Decepticon cross.
How many dudes you know flow like this? How many dudes you know flow like this? Not many, infinity, not many, infinity. How many dudes you know got the skills to go and rock a show like this? I don't know anybody.
Y'all know who this is, act right. It's the kid coming up that's flow was untapped, rolled enough drafts, know enough raps off the head skill, little crush cats. But it's hard to spit without coming off burying in y'all insist. I'm dropping on Paris of y'all who sit. Now I was running and chattering, get off my dick, you're so fucking embarrassing. Girl, I want no part of this, upon this ish, I sort of ill like a pharmacist. I'm on to this, I've been broke like promises. So if you get me started, kids, you're gonna see the consequence. And y'all don't dance. Cause I stay on, give me your words to play on, and I'ma make your written look thick like you lost a pen and roll in a crayon. But yo, y'all should play the back.